Hello traders, welcome to Maziwa Edition 1, where basically I'll be showing you that it is actually possible to make profits with every trade type in Deriv, no matter how small or big it is. Starting with over 0, proceeding to over 1, over 2, over 3, over 4, going higher, and showing how is it difficult or easy to attain profits in that particular trade type. Okay, so I'll be starting with over 0. I'll be trading volatility 100. That is the one that I've seen is most favorable to this. I'll be using my stop loss of 200 and profit of 200. Okay, that is basically the ceiling, but it's not a must I reach that particular amount because the profits in over 0 might be quite low, and it will take a lot of runs to actually make any profits from it. Okay, so I'll start with over 0 just to show you can actually make this trade type. Okay, so I've already analyzed, and I'll just proceed and run. Okay, right now I'm starting with the $1,000 account, so let us see where we'll be able to reach it to. Okay, so yeah, let us see. So currently the first profit, let us see, that is good, that is really let us see, get another one. Yeah, it is unedited. Whatever you are seeing, whatever you are, it is a fluid. Okay, basically you'll be here during the entire process as I was trading. Okay, you see, such losses occur. Now, if you do not have a good martingale, it will be really, really bad for you. Okay, so that is why you have to ensure you have proper recovery. As you can see, I've been able to recover my entire amount just because I have enough capital. Okay, but again, you have to be very careful because again, it's not every time the martingale will always win. Sometimes the martingale will disappoint you. Can your account handle that? Always ask yourself that question. Okay, because if not, please don't risk it. Okay, yeah, it might be quite bad for you. Okay, yeah, so for this trade type, we'll aim for at least a 10% profit. Okay, at least at 10%. If we can be able to reach 100, that is okay. If it takes a lot of runs, we'll aim for 50. Okay, yeah, as I've said, it takes a lot of runs to actually make any profit whenever it comes to over 0, right? And one thing you don't want to do is overtrade, whereby you just keep on running and running and running. But let us see. So far, you have made 2% profit. Okay, as you can see, you have made a 2% profit of 20.53. So that is really good. Okay, and you're moving strong. Yeah, so currently we are at our 11th run. Okay, currently we are at 24. This is really nice. That is why I'm telling you guys, if you have an account that is above 1,000, you can be making thousands every single day comfortably. Okay, comfortably without struggling. Every day whenever you go to sleep, you can be you not make less than 1,000 shillings every single day. Okay, so it will be really good for you guys. If you can invest in a good account. Okay, don't start out with small accounts. Small accounts are very hectic to go. Hectic, believe me, they are very tiring and hectic. Okay, I have been there. It really tires you out, and in the process of frustration, you end up blowing that. Okay, so ensure you are able to grow your account in a safe manner. Okay, yeah, for this video, I think I will aim for between 50 and 100, and then I leave. And then tomorrow, whenever I come to over 1, I'll show you whenever you're trading over 0, like right now over 0, all right, I need to do 200 runs to reach $200. So you can see I need to do a lot of runs. Okay, so what I do, whenever let's say I'm trading over 0, I will not aim for a 20% profit. I'll aim for a 10% or even a 5%. And then now when I go to over 1 or over 2, I'm able to make my target profit quite easily. Okay, yeah, so that is whereby you have to weigh your options. There's nothing good in trading like understanding where you stand. Okay, yeah, this is realistic. Okay, I'm not here to make $1,000 from nowhere. No, I'm showing you the real true emotion of trading. Okay, again, you have to be very careful with your account. Okay, you have to be very careful, you have to be very cautious with what is happening in your account, and so on. Okay, yeah, for this video, I think I will aim for about 50 something dollars, basically 50, and then I exit. And then tomorrow, now we come to over 1, I will show you how easy it will be for me to reach my profit or hard. Okay, I want us to go through everything. Okay, yeah, this is the edition part 1. Okay, as you can see, right now you have made 50. All right, yeah, it might seem like a little, but it's quite nice. Let me stop my book. It might seem like a little, but it's quite nice. Okay, $50 with over 0 is not easy. As you can see, you have done 25 runs and then you have lost 1. Okay, yeah, but due to a recovery, you are able to recover it quite easily. Okay, yeah, so this is really nice. Like right now, I've made about 7,000 shillings. Yeah, I think about 6,000 and something. Yeah, trading easily. Okay, so I can take myself out. I can do something fun with this money, and then I come back tomorrow. Okay, so that is the benefit of having account. Okay, you can be trading low risk markets, but again, extremely low risk markets are extremely hard to profit. As you can see, like right now, it will become really tiring for me to actually try and make 200. Okay, but it's not impossible. Okay, yeah. So that is basically the Maziwa Edition part 1. We have started with over 0. Tomorrow we come to over 1, then we go to over 2, over 3 throughout the whole process. Okay. Yeah, for any question about this, and by the way, guys, for those who are watching and you're wondering what bot am I using? I'm using the CandleMine version 3, and this bot will be yours if you just subscribe, like this video, take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number. Once you do that, you get this bot that I'm using right now for free. For those who need all the bots Deriv has to offer at the palm of your hands for life, these are the bots that will stay with for life. Also, let me know. And this is applicable to everyone worldwide. Okay. Apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching. And please stay tuned. The edition 2 is coming tomorrow. Stay tuned. It will be really, really amazing. Apart from that, have a good day, guys, and good luck.